Hi, and welcome to Webstore. In the following video, I'll show you how you can use Webstore to create your own beautiful eBay storefront. First, let's explain what's Webstore. Webstore is an easy-to-use eBay app that allows you to create a beautiful eBay storefront for your eBay listings. So also, if you don't own an eBay store, you can still have your own eBay storefront. Now let me explain how you can set it up in a few simple steps. We'll start out by subscribing to Webstore. To do so, visit our site at webstoreplace.com. Once you're at the site, simply click here to sign up. In this page, click on Start Now. You'll be redirected to an eBay login page. Just enter your eBay user ID, your password, and click to sign in. In the next page, you'll be asked to agree to linking our Webstore app with your eBay account. So once you've read our terms and conditions and our privacy policy, just click on I agree to continue. Next, proceed to PayPal to set up your monthly automatic payment. Once you've set up your automatic payment in PayPal, you'll be sent to your control panel where you'll be able to customize your web store, starting with choosing your subdomain. You can either leave it as the default as your eBay user ID or change it to any available subdomain. And once you click on Activate, your web store will be live. Now let's take a look at the different options we have here, starting with our Webstore banner. Here in our Banner tab, you'll be able to add a banner that will show in all of your eBay listings. This way your buyers on eBay can easily find your web store. We'll start by choosing a color for our banner, which you can see here an example of how it will look in your listings. And you can also change here the text for your banner. Next, click on the Add Banner button, which once you've done that, the Webstore banner will be added to your listings within 12 hours. Next, let's choose the design for your web store. So here under the Template tab, you'll find the different designs that we offer. And if you scroll over any of these designs, you'll find an option to preview the design or to save it as your web store's design. Next, let's take a look at your Logo tab, where you can choose the logo for your web store. By default, your eBay logo will be your web store's logo, but you can change it to one of our logos or upload your own custom logo. To choose one of our logos, just click on the logo you want. And to upload your own logo, click here and choose the file on your computer. Once the logo loads in your control panel, it will immediately show in your web store. Now, let's take a look at your Header tab. Here in your Header tab, you'll be able to choose what you would like to show at the header of your web store. You can either feature one of your eBay items, you can choose one of our designed headers, or you can upload a custom header. Now, when using one of these free templates, you'll also be able to choose a background for your featured item. To choose a background, just click on the image and click here on Save. You can also choose here at the top which type of item to feature in your web store. If you would like to use instead one of our designed headers, just go to the Designed Header tab and choose one of our designs. To save your choice, just click on the header. You can also, of course, add your own custom header. To do so, just click here, choose the file from your computer, and once the image loads, it will right away show in your web store. When using one of our new templates, you'll also have here an option to control your sidebar. Now, here in your Sidebar tab, you'll have an option to add social buttons to your sidebar, a text box, a newsletter button, and also a PayPal or top-rated seller badge. Lastly, let's take a look at your Settings tab. Here in your Settings tab, you'll be able to choose a name for your store, choose the number of products in a page, and by what order to show your products. Also, you'll be able to enter here the information for your About Us page, including contact information, some information about who you are and what you sell, your shipping policy, return policy, and add here links to your social accounts. Now at any time you can click here on View Webstore and see your Webstore live with the changes that you saved. That concludes our Webstore setup tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us via our site, webstoreplace.com.